to check Vrbo refund status after canceling. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Vrbo account. Then, click on your name at the top right. After you click on your name at the top right, you'll find all these options pop up. Scroll down and click on My Trips. After you click on My Trips in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, select the reservation you want to review, then open the details page for the reservation. Select Get Refund Status. And after you do that, wait for the Vrbo chat window to open. Read the refund status message. If needed, take a screenshot for your records as well. Return to the reservation details page. Recheck status later if it's processing. Exit back to My Trips. Confirm you can open refund status for the canceled trips. This is how to check Vrbo refund status after cancellation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.